Hi guys, Matthias here from Molnify. Today I want to show you something cool. In Excel I have a business case model where I can, for instance, change my selling price, my production volume, my costs as in fixed costs and purchase price and so on. And from these variables here I get my answers over here. So I get the total revenue, my total profit, my net margin and so on. So a pretty standard and pretty simple Excel model. I'm going to turn this into a Molnify application, coloring the inputs green, all of the outputs red, and all of my charts blue, just like this. So I will have a pie chart up here, a bar chart here, and a waterfall chart here. So right, now I'm going to go ahead and upload this to Molnify. So I go to app.molnify.com and I will click Create App. And in this area here where it says drop Excel file here or click to upload, this is the place where I will drop my Excel file. And once I do, Molnify will translate this into a web application. And it will have the exact same functionality as the Excel file. So here I can go in, I can for instance change my selling price to, let's say, 800. And directly I can see that my revenue changes, my total profit changes, my net margin changes. My production volume, maybe I'll take that down to 5,000 like that, and fixed costs, maybe that's 700,000 a year. And I can see that my margin is now 44.4%. But for this particular business case model, what if I wanted to share this with a friend? And I want to share like 2 or 3 different scenarios here, like the worst, the mean, and the best case. I would need a way to save my calculations or save my settings really in Molnify, and there is a way to do that, and it's really simple. It's called Save Scenario, and to enable it I'll go back to the Excel file, and here in the metadata, that's the purple cells, let's make this a bit bigger like that. Here in the metadata I will simply type enabled for save, and let's do that with black text like this so you can actually see it, enabled for save. And in the next column, I'll write true. So enabled for save and true. And now I want to turn this into metadata, and I'll do that by just coloring these 2 cells purple. Then I'll save the file. I'll head on back to the Molnify app, and since I'm the app owner, I get this little cloud over here. And now I can just take my Excel file and drag it over like that. Now the app is updating, and now it has save scenario, which you can see up here. It says select scenario. So if I'll go in now and I'll change these to 800, production volume will be 6,000, fixed cost will be 850,000, and let's see, purchase price might have gone up and admin cost up, and let's add some indirect costs. So this is 32.9 in margin. I'll say that's a mean case, so let's click save and mean case, and I'll just save it. I'm gonna try and save a best case as well. So what happens if, for instance, I manage to negotiate my purchase price down to 140 and the admin cost will drop to 120. Maybe my warehouse price costs go down, so it's only 600,000. 48.8. I'm gonna name this the best case. Just click save again here, and I'll type best case. Okay, so now I can send my URL here to a colleague of mine, and when they go to the application, they will see this. The app is of course resetted once you load it, but now I have in my list here best case and mean case. So if I click this one, I will load the best case scenario, and if I click this one, I will load the mean case scenario. So that's a really quick way how you can save an app in a certain kind of state, a named state. Especially this can be good for ordering apps or offering tools, price quoting tools, but in this case it was a business case model, and it works with that too. If you would like to try to create your own application, please head on over to app.molnify.com And here you can sign up for a free 30-day trial account. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye bye.